Hello there, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Flavors. Breakfast meal sometimes is one of the hardest thing to do because we're all busy. But with simple preparation at night, this will be the most easiest thing to do in the morning. Our recipe for today is called Korean toast. And this recipe is filled with vegetables and protein, and it will hold you until your next meal. And I promise you will start making this over and over again. And by the way, before we get started, I would like to mention that I finally got my cast iron stove skillet and we're going to use it today. So I'm very excited, and watch for my unboxing video up there, okay? So for some of you who are new, please hit the like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to crack our eggs first. And we have 3 eggs here. And then put salt and pepper. Now we're gonna add our vegetables later after we whisk this, but you have to adjust your salt, okay? So let's whisk it. So we have 1 scallion here. We have a cabbage and half the size of the carrot and half the size of the whole onion. So we're just gonna slice this thinly like this. Now we're gonna do our cabbage, and just the way we did the scallions, we're gonna slice them very thin, okay? Very thin. Next, our onion. And the same thing with the carrots. We're just gonna cut it very thin, like julienne. Alright, let's mix this vegetable together. Now we're all ready. We're gonna head to our stove and we're gonna start cooking. Alright folks, we're here in our stove. I'm using my brand new skillet cast iron stove, and I already wiped down the pan with the oil, and we're gonna wait until it's really hot. Alright folks, we're ready. We're ready to make our sandwich. Okay, I have 4 slices of white bread. I lightly toasted it with butter. And here are stuff. Let me wear my gloves. Okay, so we have mayonnaise here. And sriracha. This is optional. If you don't want spicy, you don't have to put that in there. And we have ketchup. Okay? So, let's do this one. Look at that. But I'm gonna make, you know what? I can make 4 sandwiches, but I want to make it double. So I'm gonna put 2 of those here. Then we'll put the ham like that, and the cheese. Then we're gonna put our mayonnaise, our ketchup, and then I like a little spicy, just a little bit there. And then look at that. And I'm gonna slice it. This is a little challenging to cut because just have to be patient. You're ready to eat? Look at that. Yummy. All right. So, we're so done. Okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. And tata for now.